Okay guys, so we're here at the New River Gorge National Park Welcome Center. Today is confusing. And then now we want to look at the Sandstone Falls here in New River Gorge National Park. And I think we're just confused. I don't know where we're going. Troy is going to ask somebody in the Welcome Center which direction is the right way to go to the Sandstone Falls. It's a good lesson today that a traditional map is better than GPS. So if you guys are planning on coming here, I think you need to have a backup. You need to have a traditional map or follow the road signs. Today, the GPS is not reliable at all. So we'll see. I hope that we can find the right way to go to Sandstone Falls and we could see the widest falls in West Virginia.
After all the GPS fiasco, we are definitely on the right track to see the Sandstone Falls.
Sandstone Falls. So we're going to see the Sandstone Falls. Wow, it's cool. Hey baby, let him wear this. I could already feel the insects. There we go.
Sandstone Falls is magical. It is definitely a sight to behold. The Sandstone Falls is the widest waterfall in the New River Gorge. It spans over 1,500 feet wide.
Hey baby, there's an island loop trail. We can do that. Up this way.
Troy found a good spot to take a closer look of the falls.
Okay, we're gonna be closer to the waterfall. Take a closer look. Wow, this is amazing. So this is considered the widest waterfall here in West Virginia. Look at mommy. Is it cool?
At this point, we want to follow where the boardwalk will take us and find another spot to look at this majestic waterfall.
You can see the falls right from here too, but that was the closest that we can get, maybe. Isn't it, baby?
This is another spot where you can take a closer look at the waterfall. Several islands separate the series of falls. The scenic views of the falls are ADA accessible. The falls is located 8.5 miles below Hinton, West Virginia. It is one of the most photographed attractions of the state and a popular tourist spot. You can enjoy the view from a boardwalk that crosses two bridges leading to islands and observation decks below the falls.
That is cool. So cutting into the past. So the final descent through the Appalachians.
Besides enjoying the beauty of the falls, This area is also a good place to catch smallmouth bass and catfish.
Okay, so we're gonna go for a hike, half a mile, Island Loop Trail. This is a very pretty waterfall.
It is cloudy today, but we are lucky that it still hasn't rained. We hiked a few trails already, and each time it's always a surprise to us. Each trail has its own unique characteristics. You'll never know what you're going to have. This part of the trail is rocky but mostly flat. You need to watch your step at all times though, and just take your time. I have been saying this several times now, but a hiking stick would be nice.
That's the river.
This is a big one.
Yeah.
Yeah, Eli, you don't walk through it, buddy.
Watch out for anything that could trip you, Sammy. So this is actually a pretty easy trail, half a mile, and it's pretty much flat. What is it? What? The leaves?
No, it's a big bridge.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Right there. That's the plant from that big leaves.
Oh.
Right there.
Oh, I think.
Yeah. That came
No,
from that
that's not
plant.
from that.
Where did it came from
This one
then?
has jagged leaves. That one has, I think that's a sassafras.
Oh, okay. Maybe you're right. I don't know where it came from then. So if you guys want to walk in a trail in that sandstone, this is the perfect hiking trail. It's only half a mile and it's pretty flat. So if a newbie or you haven't had experience hiking, if you have kids, this is the best trail in Sandstone Falls.
This is an ankle twister in spots there.
Oh, that's true. Some parts are rocky. And this place is really beautiful, especially the falls, right? It's really a very pretty falls.
Oh,
Very pretty.
falls I've seen since Niagara Falls.
Yeah. So we get a chance to take a look at the falls closer. Oh, what is this? A little creek? I think you go to the left, buddy. Go to the left, yeah. You guys okay? Hi! We're pretty close to where we were, Sammy.
Oh, that's a big tree over there.
Oh my, yeah. Look at that.
That big one. That
Really tall tree. I have Google, but let me see. We're trying to figure out what kind of tree this is. Google. I have Google Lens, I think. Okay, right here. This is the tree to be an American beech.
Birch?
Birch, no, beech. American beech, Fagus grandifolia. It is, which is identifiable by its smooth gray bark. The presence of moss in the trunk is common
is it
for
big?
trees in damp, shady environments with high humidity. So this is
Big?
American beech. That's how you pronounce it, right?
Yeah, beech nuts are,
Beech.
well, it's a chewing gum. You can get
Oh,
a
wow.
chewing gum.
Oh, yeah, I've heard of that. Okay, so identifiable characteristics is the mossy bark. Very interesting. Very interesting. All right.
And now we need to find another one of those leaves and identify what those things were.
Right, yeah. We have seen some cool stuff here.
I did not grow up in West Virginia, so everything I see around me is new to me. I'm not familiar with plants and trees. By being outdoors and hoping to learn more about the wild, I love West Virginia, and I would love to know more about things outdoors.
You could hear the waterfall.
We're almost there at the end of the loop, and I hope you guys have fun tagging along with us.
We finally visited the Sandstone Falls here. The Sandstone Waterfall is considered to be the widest waterfall here in West Virginia. I think the measurement is 1,500 feet. Is that correct?
That's what I heard.
So what do you think about the Sandstone Falls?
They're pretty.
Today it's not very busy, so we were able to actually take videos and then we did the half-a-mile trail. It's called Island Loop Trail. So if you guys want to try that, that'd be a good hiking trail here around this area because it's short and it's flat. The only thing that you have to be mindful of is the rocky parts, which the first half of the trail, and then after that it's pretty much flat, and definitely you can do it with your kids. I hope that you enjoy our video. Until our next one, bye!